Hey guys, we've been working on thermo for a few days now. We've been talking about PV diagrams, the first law. We've been talking about work done on or by a gas. And we need to talk about this. Those two words, on or by, are creating problems. I've had problems with this every year when I get here, and I need to clear this up. We need to have a way that we can talk about this without confusion. So I'm going to create a short video, quick primer to show you how we're going to deal with this. I'm guessing that some of us are probably feeling like this, pulling our hair out. Sharky, is it work done on the gas, by the gas? Is it negative? Is it positive? It drives me crazy. And so I'm going to show you what we're going to do here.
Okay, here we go. The short version. Do you? Yes. Good. You're not. Test it.
That's how you do that. Woo! Here we go, the short version. Positive work will mean work done by an external force on a system. What's a system? A good example of a system is a gas confined in a cylinder, and it's trapped by this thing called a piston. We can push the piston in and out. We can heat the gas, and it can push the piston up. We can cool the gas, and the piston will drop down due to gravitational force. These are all things that can happen. So, for a mechanical system, the work done by an external force on the system is work equals FD. For a gas, external force is the negative of the gas force. Now, what does this mean? This ends up being negative P times A, and then we end up with negative PV. Here's the deal. P is the pressure exerted by the gas. This P is the pressure exerted by the gas. But positive work will be work done by an external force on a system. So here's the problem that we're having. When I made videos, I talk about work done by or on the gas. And it depends on what you're talking about. This is a convention. Okay? So we could be talking about the gas doing work on its environment, the environment being the cylinder and the piston. The gas expands. If it gets hot, it can force the piston up. So we can talk about the gas doing work on the environment. We can also talk about the environment doing work on the gas. These conventions that are causing problems. All right. So when we talk about on or by, it's really the same thing. It just depends on whether you're talking about the environment, you're talking about the gas itself. I told you guys in my videos the first law relates the internal energy of the gas to the heat added or taken away and the work done on or by. Okay. And they have the plus sign here. This has not always been the case. So I found this online. First law of thermo. Change in internal energy equals heat added to the system minus work done by the system. So this is work done by the system, and it's negative. In my video, it's Q plus W, which is work done on. So which is it, on or by? And if you look at this, well, it depends. Chemistry texts use U equals Q plus W. They say it's the same law, right? It's just that work is defined as the work done on the system instead of by. Okay? And it depends on whether you're a chemist or whether you're a physicist as to whether or not you want to talk about it being the work done by the system, in which case it would be negative, or the work done on, which would be positive. The very first video, I said work by was negative because I'm approaching it from an engineering point of view, but evidently College Board is not. Here are relevant equations, and as you can see, they're going to use U equals Q plus and work equals negative PV. So this is what we need to be doing. Sharky, finally, just tell us, what are we going to be doing? So positive work means work done by an external force on a system. And this is tricky because this pressure here, this P, is the pressure exerted by the gas. Right? The gas exerts pressure on all the walls and on the piston. So it's pushing up on that piston. The piston may be pushing down, yes? And so it depends on whether you're talking about environment or gas. Here's what we'll do. Positive work is done on the gas when the gas is compressed. So if we compress a gas, we have a negative volume change. We had a bigger volume before, we have a smaller volume after. Volume is going to see a negative change, and so when you take a minus and multiply by a minus, you get a plus. And we'll say positive work is done on the gas when the gas is compressed. So when we have a negative volume change, we will call this positive work on the gas. We will have negative work on the gas when the gas expands. So here, if we have a gas and we heat the gas, it will expand. It can push the piston up if it's unlocked. We have a positive volume change. We have a larger volume after. We have a smaller volume prior. So we have a positive volume change. When you take a plus and multiply by a minus, you get a minus. So negative work is done on the gas when the gas expands. Negative work is done on the gas. Zero work is done on the gas when the gas volume is fixed. So the volume doesn't change. If we lock the piston in place, zero work is done. This is shown on our PV graph by a vertical line. There's no area under that curve. No work is done.